Tuesday, May 22nd, 2018. Right?
This is my new legal assistant.
Mark Ellis.
I'm Shannon.
My condolences. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's a hard man. You know, he was a judge. And then he decided he didn't like that working.
Hello, ma'am. Go ahead. Yes, ma'am. She's gonna file hers.
I'm Miss Shaw. I'm Miss Shaw. I would like to file.
She doesn't need permission. It's Brandy, the mother. Not Brandy. Yes, ma'am. She's not on the list. I know, but I'm telling you, she's not on the list. She's not the subject. Just me. Okay, Brandon, explain why you were here for the camera. Why are you here? To file what? No, tell me. Just
I would like to file this.
On what day? Tuesday.
May 22nd, 2018.
Okay, what is this you would like to file?
I can read it for you. It says, one of the way Whitfield is Brady Charles, motion for specific finding of fact and conclusion of law for purpose of motion for a new trial, combined with statements and points, disqualification and recusal of Judge John Phillips, and unlikely event of an appeal being sued out against the final order into a records.
Okay. Now, please explain to the clerk that you have no vexatious order against you from any court.
I do not have a vexatious order against me because I didn't file too many things.
You never filed a lawsuit before.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to make it very clear in case you didn't. You are here to present to the clerk notice to clerk to not issue notice of court orders and judgments to attorneys of record for the parents or parties in the above style and numbered cause. Issue the same to pro se parties Ronald Dwayne Whitfield and Brandy Brene Charles at our address and conjunction Ronald Dwayne Whitfield's and Brandy Brene Charles's motion for specific findings of fact and conclusions of law for purposes of motion for new trial.
This is my copy?
She would like for you to stamp it. She's gonna take
My stamp it. This is my copy.
She wants to take a picture of it.
And then she can keep it.
Yeah, you need a picture of it.
Where's the case number? Report.
It's on the face of the instrument in the caption. Let me point it to you, ma'am. Right here. And here's the cause number at the very top.
What court is it?
314. You have her stamp your copy as well.
Okay. Could you stamp this copy as well?
And please identify whom you are.
Christina.
I mean, for the record, for future. Yeah, there you go. Now, just for the record, ma'am, I'm stating that Judge Schaefer has already sent orders to Judge Phillips to the First Court of Appeals that I may appeal. I may file my motions for new trial.
What are you filing right here?
The mother's filing her motion. Let me tell her what it is. It is it's two things. Notice to the clerk to not issue. It states on the first page of what it is. And it's also A motion,
It says an original and amended motion of facts and findings. Okay, that's all I need.
findings of fact and conclusions of law. But we also need you all to correct who the mail is to go to, the orders. They don't go to attorneys. They must come
Yeah,
to.
thank you. I have nothing to do with that. I just keep record of this.
Yes, ma'am, but they're telling us to. Okay, but Chris Daniels, your clerk, your boss, he has sent out Mr. Walker so that you all will know we're not represented by by attorneys. We are representing ourselves now.
They haven't told us anything.
We have to.
Maybe they told the court, but they haven't told me anything.
Okay, but ma'am, so you'll protect yourself. Once it's on here and it's been filed and it's been told to you on YouTube, it is to come to us. Okay, what are they saying about me? What are they saying? I still have to come to the courtroom?
Yeah, it said it's just on me.
Okay, so we'll go to the courtroom. Is Miss Crystal one of them in there now?
You can check. It is lunchtime, but you can check.
Okay, come on. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, but just one more thing, man. One more thing. I just want to make sure, satisfied that there be no room for doubt. I have told you that Judge Schaefer, the administrative law judge, has authorized me to proceed.
They haven't told me anything yet.
Well, do you have a duty, since there are legal rights, to inquire into that? I came here yesterday, and I told you all that Judge Schaefer, who's over Judge Phillip, said that everything I've done has merit. So since there are legal rights, and where there are legal rights, there are legal duties, do you know that you now have a legal duty to inquire whether or not Judge Schaefer's authorized me to file this very document? Ma'am? Well, it's a deadline. It has to be done. Tomorrow's I've been here 2 days in a row. Tomorrow is the last day actually it's already done in the motion for new trial itself, but I'm doing it so there's no room for doubt.
All right.
So I'm gonna go to the clerk in the courtroom, but if she's not there, I'm gonna come here one more time. No, actually, I need to come back. Can you accept this from me?
As far as I know, not right now, no. No one's told me different.
So you waiting on someone
Yes.
to tell you you're not gonna exercise your duty to call, and you do a separate independent duty to say, hey, I got a man here. I don't wanna.
I did call. No one answered in the court, and I called my supervisor, and he said, so far it's just you. That's why I was able to accept it from her.
Okay, and that's Mr. Lopez, correct? Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm making very clear for YouTube viewers, the United States Attorney, FBI, that Judge Schaefer of the 157th Judicial District Court of Harris County, Texas, his name is Robert Schaefer. He is the administrative law judge. He authorized that I can file these pleadings. I had to obtain his permission to do so. I have obtained his permission, and they're telling me that they need Randy, it's really sick. It's going up. Yes, ma'am. Please hold that. All right, he's fine. Ms. Crystal. Okay, now here today to file this document. Okay. It also gives the clerk notice to issue all orders to us. We're no longer represented by attorney, as well as its motion.
I'm just taking it to get it administered and putting it out. That's all I have.
Yes, ma'am, but I'm putting, okay. And so who's responsible for putting the correct document entry in?
I just sent it out to the editor, so I'm not going back to the editor.
Okay, thank you. The deadline is tomorrow, so tomorrow, that's the end of the deadline. Thank you. What's going on? Okay, the same thing's already been, this is just a double deal. The motion for new trial already includes that, but then Judge Phillips and the other judges say, well, we didn't know that wasn't in the caption, so that's no. That's why we went and presented a separate one to make that very clear.
No, there's not a.
Okay.
I mean, if they have like an array of the emotions, yeah. What it looks like to me. So we have these little dolls that are those plates that you flip and turn things.
Thank you. All right. Okay, I just presented to Miss Crystal. She works in the 314 Judicial District Court. Let's walk a little faster. Gives you, cool. All right. We complete this thought. We're done. I want to make clear to you, Judge Phillips, that the motion for new trial itself includes a request or a motion for specific findings of fact and conclusions of law, and those findings of fact are married to the combined statement of points. In the unlikely event that an appeal would need to be taken, but I guess when the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the United States Justice Department Inspector General, the United States Attorney, Southern District of Texas, Houston Division, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, as well as the Postal Inspector General, sending people fake, fraudulent court documents purporting orders and opinions and shit. And crap, I mean. Let's walk this way. Fake. I'm Brandon, get this. I'm getting fake mail. Fake documents in the mail that neither the Harris County District Clerk has a record of, nor the City of Houston Municipal Court has a record of what I'm receiving in the mail. Come on now. Whatever that means. Go on across the street, please. All right, we're going to end this video. This is for purpose of establishing that today being May 22nd, 2018, I passed to Crystal the motion for specific findings of fact and conclusions of law, as well as to whom those orders and judgments are to come when the judge signs them and the clerk enters them of record and issues them out.